Life of it. Dads of Dads Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what DadzLife. Check.
Yeah.
Ha. Yeah.
Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad.
Tell him.
I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
Yeah, the life of
Hello,
dads.
sons and daughters. I'm your long lost father. This is what I do.
Yo, what up guys, this is Lord High the Dads from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and I was contacted by the guys at Hosafe and they were giving me a camera for unboxing and review, and today is the day. Guess what guys, we're going big today. They sent me the 2K Ultra HD solar powered wireless camera. It's a big deal guys. As you can see, brand new out the box, and I haven't even opened it yet. So guys, today we'll be doing the easy installation at the house, and it's solar powered, it's Ultra HD, it's great for security. You don't know, in this day and age you have to have security, you have to be able to look at your property even when you're not there. And it's powered by solar, wireless, Wi-Fi connectivity. So you know it's a great product and it's high quality. Hosafe and those guys sent it to me in like 2 weeks, and we're going to put it up today and make sure that we show you the installation process, how easy it is and how great of a product it is. So we're actually very excited today, so we wanted to check it out, and we're going to be showing you the pictures and we'll give you the review afterwards. Okay guys, look out for it. So guys, we decided to install it right at the front, aimed at the gate, so it will be able to show us exactly what's happening at the gate at any given time. It's powered by solar, so it had its own solar panel that came with it. It is 5K, so you know you can see everything, and it's really HD and all of these things. So it was a great product. We like to give them a big thumbs up. Actually, it actually surpassed all my expectations, so I really want to big them up for sending the camera. It was a great product, so we're giving them massive big ups, and we hope to work with them again. So respect due every time. Hosafe, you don't know, 5K HD Wi-Fi wireless cameras. Big up yourself every time.
No joke thing. Real life thing. And I'm a real life king. Sherman Dads. Life of it. Dads of Dads Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what DadzLife. Check.
Yeah.
Ha. Yeah.
Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the